All those good things you are doing for people around you, a lot of them don't care. A lot of them, they no send you. When e come reach your turn, when e come reach your turn for them to do for you, they will judge you. They will judge you. They will tell you. They will say something like, "Did we send you to do it for us?" By that time, you will realize that you are stupid. All those things you are doing, thinking that you are a good person, you are not a good person. You are a stupid person. Because when you reach your turn for them to do for you, they will judge you. They will judge you harshly, and it is not going to end well for you. For this life, you have to be careful. If you have never been betrayed before, learn from those who have been betrayed before. Listen to a lot of stories of those who have been betrayed by their loved ones and learn.